Exciter gearboxes. These are FL Smith gearboxes, okay. LE80. This is this one is an Auri gearbox. So some of them they are out of tolerance. So we need to machine them, sleeve them, and some of they are made out of cast iron. So we've got cast iron special rods that we normally weld and machine, but this time we're just re-sleeving them. It's quicker and it doesn't waste time. So that's what we're doing to repair all exciters, lifting equipment that we're doing testing, and an alternator that we're going to dispatch now for Hitachi. It's for the dump trucks, the electrical ones. So this is what brings in power, electricity. So I've got line boring machines as well here. We've got hydraulic cylinders that we've just refurbished. TSM Engineering, you can see there on the cylinder it's written TSM Engineering. Okay. All right. So we just received from Total mine this alternators or generators for refurbishment. We're going to refurbish all of them, rewind all the stators, make sure all the brushes, slip rings are in place. We also do electric motor repairs. Rotor shafts, we normally bore them out for 400 kilowatt to 500 kilowatt and 560 kilowatt. So when it's bent or it's no longer working, we bore it out, and then we put a new shaft in. There's another casing for an exciter, yeah. Okay, so there's guys, we were working there, we were stripping there, and we're stripping another electric motor on this side. This is my pressing bay. All right, cool. So more electric motors, more rollers and stuff, machines. All right, this is a testing bench for gearboxes and alternators when we run them to check temperature, vibration, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is a stand that we fabricated to test that alternator that I showed you at the beginning. So I've got a 5-meter bed lathe here, and the horizontal boring mill on the other side, and another 3-meter bed lathe, bend saw there, press brake, a plasma cutter outside there, CNC plasma cutter. We're putting up a shed there because there's not much space in the workshop. That's our tool store over there. We've got this side here, we've got machine shop machines, milling machines, small lathe, and a CNC, another bend saw here, CNC Fagori control lathe, and slotting machine here, small milling machine, quick tool box for the guys. It's time for housekeeping. People are doing housekeeping. We need to go home now. It has been a busy day. This is also a fitting bay for assembling kit components and final drives, transmissions and stuff like that. Okay, so yeah, cool, man. This is what we're doing here. I've got engines as well. Since we are a Cummins check here, we are a Cummins dealer in Mozambique, so we do all engines. This is a QSK 50 engine. Okay, QSK 50, and then these are KT 50s that we're breaking and rebuilding. Okay, there are 2 of them. So I've got 2 KT 50 engines for Cummins. These are Cummins engines. All right, and I've got a 10-ton self-working load crane. Okay, so the workshop is about 30 meters wide, 50 meters long, and 15 meters high. So it's quite a big, heavy workshop. Outside we've got painting bays, stripping bays, wash bays, fabrication shop outside as well. We do fabrication, steel, structural steel and designing, and line boring, field services we've got. These are our offices. Okay. it's time for housekeeping, like I was saying. So let me show you this side here. We've just changed this truck here into a loop truck. So this another fabrication shop here. There's a plasma cutter inside. We are building up a shed for another CNC plasma cutter there. That's our waste bin area. Scrap steel on the other side, waste stuff and oil bin there, collection. So there's a lubrication, a truck that we just converted into a lube truck. Let me just show you quickly. Yabo! So we just converted this into a lube truck. Okay, so it's going to go to the mine very soon. Boom! So the endos with the pulse meters, they're there. There's another pulse meter here, but we've got the some more ones which are good. Okay, and the plumbing was done very well for air, pneumatics, and the hydraulics. These are pneumatic pumps to pump oil. Okay, so there will be different types of oil engines, oil coolants and stuff. This is for grease. This is to pump grease. Thank you for watching. This is Whisper or Whispan. I'm a senior mechanical fitter here, or senior mechanical specialist at TSM Engineering. Yeah, I started up as a senior mechanical fitter / machinist, and now I'm an operations engineering lead. So I take care of the operations here, make sure I perform the tasks that my guys cannot also perform in daily duties. On site at the mine, we've got a contract. We will also do field services, and then yeah, that's it. So I take care of both of sites and workshops. Thank you for watching.